Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by gathering the audio you want to devoice and prepare it. Use a lossless file like WAV or FLAC at 44. 1KHZ for best results. Make a backup copy before you begin editing the original file. Open your DAW or audio editor and load the 2-channel stereo track. Confirm the vocal is centered and appears equally in left and right channels. If the recording is mono, duplicate it to 2 channels for later processing. Next, perform phase cancellation to remove centered vocals from the mix. Invert one stereo channel and play both channels together to cancel the center content. Apply a low cut at 100 Hz to protect bass and a high cut at 4,000 Hz to target vocal bandwidth. Use an initial wet mix of 50% and listen critically. Tweak the wet mix between 30 and 70% to preserve instruments while reducing voice. Bypass and compare to ensure musical balance and minimal artifacts. Finally, refine the result using spectral editing tools to remove vocal remnants. Open a spectral view and visually isolate energy between 1,000 and 3,000 Hz that matches the voice. Use a soft spectral healing brush to attenuate those components without harming instruments. Apply narrow notch filters at persistent vocal frequencies and adjust Q carefully. Check the mix in context and restore stereo width with mid-side processing if needed. Export the final devoice.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.